We all know eyes are very important for our daily lives, and most people take them for granted. Did you know your eye health could directly impact your brain's performance? It's true. What you see and how you see can influence how sharp your memory is, how clearly you think, and even how well your mood holds up. Most people believe eye health is just about avoiding glasses or cataracts, but there's far more to it. A surprising link between the nutrients that fuel your vision and the ones that keep your brain sharp could unlock secrets to slowing cognitive decline. Let's dive in and uncover this fascinating connection. Welcome to Levitas. Your eyes and brain are intricately connected, working as a team to process the world around you. In fact, your eyes are considered an extension of your brain, and the optic nerve acts as a direct communication line between the two. When eye health deteriorates, it can disrupt this communication, leading to far-reaching effects on cognitive function. Conditions like macular degeneration or diabetic retinopathy, which impair vision, can reduce sensory input to the brain. This lack of stimulation can accelerate cognitive decline, as the brain thrives on processing complex visual data to stay sharp. Poor vision also increases the risk of social isolation, depression, and reduced mental activity, factors strongly linked to dementia. Furthermore, chronic eye strain or untreated conditions like glaucoma can increase oxidative stress in the body, damaging neurons and hindering brain function. Regular eye care, early detection of vision problems, and protecting your eyes from strain are crucial not just for sight but for preserving cognitive health. And how antioxidants improve eye and brain health. Antioxidants are your body's natural defense against oxidative stress, a major factor in aging and cellular damage. For both your eyes and brain, antioxidants work to neutralize harmful free radicals that can lead to degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two powerful antioxidants specifically crucial for eye health. Found in leafy greens like spinach and kale, they accumulate in the retina, shielding it from damage caused by blue light and oxidative stress. In turn, they can also protect the brain by preserving neural pathways linked to vision and cognition. Vitamin C, present in citrus fruits and bell peppers, and vitamin E, found in nuts and seeds, combat inflammation and protect against age-related decline in eye and brain function. Similarly, beta-carotene in carrots and sweet potatoes, and zinc in shellfish, beef, and legume support cellular repair in the eyes and brain. To harness these benefits, focus on a colorful diet rich in low-glycemic fruits, vegetables, and whole foods. Supplements can also help, particularly for individuals with limited dietary variety. By nourishing your body with antioxidants, you protect not only your vision, but also your cognitive clarity. What is the impact of omega-3 on healthy vision and mental clarity? Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA or docosahexaenoic acid, are vital for the health of both your eyes and brain. DHA is a primary structural component of the retina and brain tissue, making it essential for maintaining their integrity and function. For vision, omega-3s help keep the retina healthy, reduce inflammation, and support tear production, alleviating symptoms of dry eye syndrome. They also play a preventive role in conditions like macular degeneration and glaucoma. A well-nourished retina not only preserves vision, but also ensures efficient communication between the eyes and the brain. For cognitive function, omega-3s improve neuron flexibility and enhance the transmission of signals within the brain. This translates to better memory, quicker thinking, and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies have also shown that omega-3s can improve mood and reduce anxiety, adding another layer of mental clarity. To boost omega-3 intake, include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines in your diet at least twice a week. Plant-based sources such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent alternatives. Omega-3 supplements can also fill any dietary gaps, ensuring your eyes and brain get the nourishment they need. Caring for your eyes is one of the simplest yet most overlooked strategies for preserving cognitive health. And by maintaining clear vision and reducing eye strain, you keep your brain active and engaged. Start with regular eye exams to detect problems early. Many eye conditions, like glaucoma or cataracts, develop silently and can affect vision long before symptoms appear. Protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays with sunglasses and limiting blue light exposure from screens can also prevent retinal damage over time. A nutrient-rich food plan loaded with antioxidants, omega-3s, and vitamins is essential for long-term eye health. Proper hydration, Regular exercise and managing chronic conditions like diabetes or hypertension further reduce risks to your vision and cognitive function. Additionally, engage in visual exercises like focusing on distant objects or following moving targets to stimulate the connection between your eyes and brain. These activities enhance neural plasticity, keeping both your eyesight and mental acuity sharper for longer. By making your eyes a priority, you're investing in lifelong cognitive vitality. Water is the cornerstone of life, and its importance extends to your eyes and brain. Dehydration can lead to dry eyes, reduced tear production, and discomfort that interferes with clear vision. Chronically dry eyes can also cause inflammation, leading to long-term damage to the cornea and impairing the retina's ability to transmit visual information to the brain. The brain, which is 75% water, is highly sensitive to hydration levels. Even mild dehydration can result in cognitive sluggishness, poor concentration, and fatigue. On a cellular level, dehydration hampers the delivery of nutrients to brain tissues, reducing efficiency in processing and storing information. Drinking enough water throughout the day ensures optimal tear production, clear vision, and efficient brain function. Foods with high water content such as cucumbers, lemons, and berries provide an additional hydration boost. For those struggling with dry eyes, eye drops can help restore moisture, especially in low humidity environments. Remember, hydration isn't just about drinking water when thirsty. It's a proactive step toward maintaining both visual and mental clarity. Keeping your body hydrated means your eyes stay bright and your brain stays sharp. Do you have constant headaches that never seem to get better? Could your vision have something to do with it? Migraines and eye health are deeply interconnected. Eye strain, caused by prolonged screen time, poor lighting, or uncorrected vision problems, is a common migraine trigger. The muscles around your eyes can become fatigued, leading to tension that radiates to your head and neck. Another culprit is light sensitivity, often associated with conditions like dry eye syndrome or photophobia, where bright light overstimulates the optic nerve, sparking a migraine. Changes in visual input, such as seeing halos, flashes, or blurred vision, can also precede a migraine attack, signaling issues like ocular migraines. To prevent migraines linked to eye health, prioritize regular breaks from screens. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Ensure your workspace is well lit, and use anti-glare screens or blue light blocking glasses if necessary. Corrective eyewear tailored to your specific needs, along with artificial tears for dryness, can further ease strain. If migraines persist, consulting your eye doctor and neurologist can help identify underlying issues and create a tailored treatment plan. Protecting your eyes is a powerful step in managing migraine triggers and maintaining overall well-being. In conclusion, the intricate link between eye health and cognitive function reveals the profound impact of maintaining optimal vision. Poor eye health disrupts the brain's sensory input, increasing the risk of cognitive decline and social isolation, while conditions like chronic eye strain elevate oxidative stress, hindering brain efficiency. Antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamins C and E play a pivotal role in shielding the eyes and brain from degenerative processes. Omega-3 fatty acids further enhance this synergy, preserving retinal health and boosting mental clarity. Proper hydration sustains tear production and ensures efficient neural function, while mitigating migraines through eye care strategies like the 20s rule alleviates strain and enhances overall well-being. From dietary choices to mindful screen use, prioritizing eye health offers an accessible and impactful pathway to preserve cognitive vitality and enrich daily life. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.